your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your work, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your work, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your work, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your work, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Welcome back to another beautiful vlog. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. Let me on this lights. If this is the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. So like you guys saw from the beginning of this video, I want to make moi moi, and I've had these beans for quite some time. Baby, don't enter my eye. Jesus Christ. I've had these beans for quite some time, and I don't want the situation whereby the beans will get bad, so I decided to use all of the remaining beans to do my mind. Then I can get another beans. You guys know that mama is not my thing, but at least once in a while, because of my husband, we'll just have to do it. Anyways, I've been peeling this melon seed myself. I didn't even know. 3 days ago I stopped peeling it, and I noticed that it's getting, which color safe, the color is changing to dark, I don't know. So I don't know if it's already bad. I'll just try and check it so that if it's bad, I will know what to do with it. Okay, this is the level that have peeled. Not only me, Shami and Dede, so we are the two persons fighting this, and the person that likes soup, egusi soup more, is not fighting this battle with us. Anyways, that's because he's always at work, especially when we are doing the peeling. So I just said we should use the opportunity and peel. That last video you guys saw that I made egusi soup, that was the first time I got egusi since I got married. The one I've been using is the one I brought to my husband's house. You guys get, I brought it to my husband's house. It was among one of the foodstuffs that were built with me. Okay, to my husband's house. Omo, as he finished, I started to buy it. It really sucked my soul. It touched my soul. Okay, but this is, marriage is almost a year now, and it was try now. Try. Okay, so I just decided to go and buy this one so that I can peel myself. I love hand egusi. Some persons, when you get to the market, they'll tell you that, oh, this is hand egusi, this is hand egusi. But at the end of the day, you find out that after preparing it, you have this taste that is not hand egusi. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. Anyways, I'm waiting for Dede. She went to go and grind the beans. So once she's back, we are going to proceed with the rest of this vlog. Hope you enjoy. See you in my next slide. Peace out. bad ones, and I think it was the mistake I made. So just get this correction straight so that you don't get to make the same mistake. What happened was that I soaked all the egusi ones, because I was supposed to soak it like gradually, okay. Even when I was soaking it once, there was like, no, don't soak it once, soak it like half or small, so that once we are done, then we soak another one. I was like, no, I'll soak it once, we'll peel it once, and then yeah, most of my egusi is bad. Jeez. So please, whenever you want to peel your melon, make sure that you're soaking it gradually, small, don't soak it once, so that this same wahala that has happened to me will not happen to you. I'm feeling bad right now, but sometimes it's good for us to listen to anybody that is talking to us, be it small or big. Because me, I was claiming that I know it all. Hey, my goosey. See the way I'm sweating. Can you see it, guys? Jesus Christ. Anyways, I'll just make sure that we start peeling this night seriously. Even if it's night already, we'll start peeling it seriously, so that any good ones we can get, at least add it up to this one. We'll get something to make soup with, okay? Oh my God. Now you honor.
Who?
Now you.
I'm not.